I've been waiting for this package about 2 weeks. These are the new mirrors for the Pan America. Let's open them up. Can't wait to check them out because the mirrors that I have on the Pan America now, they are a no-go. I explained to you guys in the videos, they're just moving around on me and they're not going to work. But I think these mirrors are going to do great. I'm going to have a link for you guys down below in the video description if you guys want to check it out, because they were really, really inexpensive compared to like proper Rizoma mirrors, like real Rizoma mirrors. They're only a fraction of the cost. Real Rizoma stealth mirrors, they're like $400. Wow, check these out. Holy cow. Wow, look at that. So you see, when this gets mounted, right, to the stock mounting point, you could leave them in this position. Let me take this off. You could leave them in this position. If you go to the track, it's almost like a winglet. But then if you want the mirror, you just turn it up. That looks awesome. I think they also have a choice of clear lens or like a bluish lens. I took the bluish, prevent maybe a little sunlight blockage. But check that out. It like folds in to like a winglet. And these are gonna go on Pan America ST, man. I'm so excited. So let's move the bike in the middle of the garage, and it comes with 2 mirrors obviously and a whole bunch of adapters and stuff like that and bolts. I don't know what we're gonna have to figure out what I need, but I think these mirrors are these are the mirrors that are gonna be for this bike. I think they're gonna look great. So let me move the bike over. So now you see the bar end mirrors. They're just, no matter how much I tighten them there, the wind actually blows them back and then my palm hits here. So I'm going to take these off right now, and then these are the stock mounting mirror points. That's where the stealth mirror is going to go. So look how it looks now. Let me take these off and then I'll figure out how these go on, and we'll put them on and we'll see how it looks. Bolt just fell all the way down. I think I have a magnet. That's why you always need one of these magnet, telescoping magnet. Oh my God, thank God I see it. Okay, I got it. So now this, I think it's fairly simple. This bolt is just gonna drop down in there. And that's it, pretty much. So that's how it looks. Closed. Looks like a little winglet, but I gotta take the side mirrors off and put the windshield back on to get kind of the full view of that. All right, let me hop on the bike, show you guys how it looks. I should take the bike out in the sun. I really like it from the cockpit. I just have to adjust these properly, tighten them down. But you see how it looks from the cockpit? I'll definitely get, oh yeah, I'll definitely be able to, I'll definitely have good visibility because it's kind of way out there. They're not like here, they're here. And it's in no way in the way of my hand or arm now. So these are definitely pretty cool. I'll just, like I said, I'm gonna have to adjust them properly. All right, I think I adjusted them pretty good. So that's how they look with the mirrors up And then if you go to the track, you could just put them like that. You don't have to even take your mirrors off, and it almost looks like a little winglet. I think this is definitely definitely a better option than the bar end mirrors that I had on. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have to take a ride and see, you know, how they work. I think they're going to work fine. And I mean, there's really there's not a lot of options. Yeah, I think these look pretty cool. You know, you could go with pretty much any kind of mirror that'll fit. This is counter turn, counterclockwise. This is clockwise. And as far as you get the same diameter, millimeter size bolt or size thread, the mirror, they'll fit. But I wanted something, that's why they call them kind of stealth. They're kind of low. They don't really stick up like the stock ones do. Yeah, so I think I like them for now. I mean, they're definitely going to be better. I'm going to keep them on for now and then take a couple rides and just see how it all works. You know, see the visibility. That's going to be important. But as far as the looks of them, I mean, yeah, they're pretty cool. They're different. Let me know what you guys think about it. All right, just another little short upgrade video on the 25 Pan America ST. I think that's about it for now until they get the tuning in place. That's probably going to be the last upgrade for now. I mean, that I really want to do to it. Everything else is done. The bike is running good. We just did a 1,000 mile service, the first service, and everything is looking good. No issues. So can't wait to take it out and see how it is with the new mirrors. But I think they look pretty good. I've seen them on other street fighters like the MT10s and other bikes, and they do look really good. And I think I kind of like them on here. All right, guys, that's it. We got some more rain coming. What else is new here for the Northeast? We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.